Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to see who sent you NGL messages. First, open Instagram application in your mobile device. Here, go to your story. You'll find the NGL link which you have posted. After that, open the NGL application. Then tap on Inbox. Now tap on Message icon. Here you need to tap on Who sent this. Now tap on Unlock. As you can see, the subscription costs about $3.99 per week, and it will give you a hint on who sent you the message. Which means you need to have an NGL subscription in order to see who sent you a message. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.